National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Jack County in north central Texas, northeastern Palo Pinto County in north central Texas, northwestern Parker County in north central Texas, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 9 miles northeast of Grapeford, moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will otherwise remain over rural areas of Jack County west of Perrin. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed.